Welcome to Spiritual Sunday. Sunday is the day when I do a vlog that has a spiritual angle to it. I come from a Christian background. If that's not your background, I still believe you're going to get amazing value from this. And hey, it's free. And if you've got a couple of minutes to listen, maybe we might learn something together. So today I want to talk about a two-letter word that will change your life. And it's not the word no, because that will change your life. It's the word be. The subject of the vlog is busy bee, not B-E-E, but B-E. Because when we're busy being as human beings, we can create a much better, a much wealthier, a much healthier, a much happier future for ourselves. And the model we have for this is the divine model. It's God Himself. Because in Genesis chapter 1, it said that darkness was everywhere. The earth was without form and void. There was nothing there. And God said, light be. And light was. He created light with His language. And then in the New Testament, in the first chapter of John, it says, in the beginning was the Word. And the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So it seems that in the divine model, if it's true, it all begins with a word. Light, be. Health, be. Love, be. Joy, be. Peace, be. Do you remember Jesus in the storm, in the boat, and they all thought they were going to die, and they woke Him up and said, Master, don't you care that we're perishing? And He goes, hang on a minute. Waves, storm, be still. Be still. And then He turned to them and said, where's your faith? Well, of course, I don't think He was being hard with them. I think we just need to learn these difficult lessons. But there's something in that model about the power of our tongue. And be is a powerful word. So if you need health in your life now, what have we got to lose? Why don't we say today, health, be. 2018 was a year of massive financial reversals for me. It was a real tough time. So could it be that I could say, wealth, be? Because it does say in Deuteronomy that the proof of God's love to His old covenant people, an old covenant which Jesus came to fulfill, was financial wealth. He said, I will give you the power to get wealth, wealth be, that I may establish my covenant with you. Well, that hasn't passed away. It's fulfilled in Jesus. And I know that in the New Testament, a lot of people have discomfort with material wealth, but it's not material wealth they have discomfort with. It's the way people react and behave when they have material wealth. The issue is often with the unrighteous rich, those who don't use their wealth in a positive way to bless others and bless their own families, of course. So could we risk today going, wealth, be, love, be, peace, be, joy, be, harmony, be. I don't think we've got anything to lose whatsoever. Whether you believe the Christian and the the Jewish tradition as well, it doesn't really matter. There is power in what we say. You know how you can say certain words and people will be, deflated. And you can say another word and their eyes will light up and they will be blessed. So let's be a blessing today, specifically with our words. Be healthy, be happy, be prosperous, and maybe a miracle will happen, because there's a story of Jesus paying His taxes by saying to Peter, when Peter was anxious about them paying their temple tax, He said, go fishing, and the first fish you catch, open its mouth, and in its mouth will be sufficient funds for my tax and your tax, then go and pay them. Now, I've always thought that Jesus had the foreknowledge that there would be a fish with that money in its mouth. But I wonder now whether He actually created that. As He said it, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. And God said, and He, as God's representative, said, catch that fish and the money will be there. When He fed the 5,000, He told them to break the loaves and fishes, and there was the miracle. It beed, as a pirate would say. So perhaps there is miraculous power in our words today and in the word be. May there be peace in your heart today. May there be health in your body. May there be joy in your heart. And may there be wealth in your bank account and in your pocket as we move into this season of giving. Be blessed.